that's beautiful. That is beautiful. Two big ass boats. I don't need no twit car to get in here. Can we fit through this? Oh man, it's tight. Oh wow, the lightning struck. Y'all gonna have to work with me on this video. I end up having a smudge in the camera, and I said it on the videos later on down the line when we go night driving, but I just wanted y'all to know before it started. It's a little smudge on the camera. I ate some food and got some grease on the camera, and I just didn't clean it off until I stopped. We're gonna be extremely late. When I say extremely late, I mean extremely late. We gotta go to the other side of Orlando, the far right side of Orlando, basically closer towards the water. And I might start putting the location up on the screen. I just be lazy. An opportunity to get out. About to take it. Okay, yeah, that was good. Boy, Florida traffic is not nice at all. Not at all. They don't be wanting to let you out. I'm sorry, I got a 53-foot long trailer on my back. I can't help it. If you make my career harder on me than it already has to be, that's when I start, you know, that's when I just kind of like shy away, you know. Okay, this don't look bad at all. Got the coconut trees. We are on the bridge. I wish I could have got the beginning of the bridge, but it's all right. But yeah, this bridge going up. This I bet this ain't nothing compared to the other side of the United States. I imagine we just, you know, man, that'll be a scary fall. I'll live though. I hope I would. Right now is not a good time. I'm actually about to deliver a load, so we can set a callback time. What time you get out of office? All right, call me at 5:30. Okay. All right, thank you. I don't know if I need to stay in this lane. I'm gonna get over it. I'm gonna take the middle lane. Oh my, wow. I never been on a cruise before, and I never seen a cruise boat up close. Now, let me slow down. Now that right there is a yacht. Wow. Carnival Freedom. I'm gonna call it the Freedom Yacht. This is beautiful. This is great. I'm enjoying this run right here. I don't even know what this place is, but I'm happy with this run. Oh, I'm excited. This was great. This made my week, bro. Right here. Seeing something new, seeing something different. This made my week right here. Now, where the truck entrance? Yeah. Is there anybody behind us? Nope. All right. You can turn around right here without being in the cab extender. That was perfect. Ah, he got in front of me. Come on. First time to Orlando. This was great. I mean, this just right here woke me up. I ain't gonna lie, I was falling asleep on the way here. Ooh, buddy, come on now. Make it make sense, man. All right, that's what Eli was telling me to come this way and come in here. Let's see. I forgot my tandem's all the way back. I didn't know we just service places like this. But after I get through with the guard shack, see where I'm supposed to be going, I'll holler back. Show me, cause he said a right, then another right, and then they'll spit me out right here and they'll call me. I'm like, bro, I don't know where I'm going. You said right, right, right. All right, cool. And this is what I talk about, right? So this how they do. This how they do. Okay, I told them today that I'm probably gonna go to, I'm leaving to go to Highland. And they give me a load like this, man. And then this make you wanna stay. I was so confused. He kept saying right, right, and right. But it's left, left. Wait, is he finna take a right or is he finna take a left? Oh, okay, so it was left, left. Okay. I know I was supposed to stop. What the? What the? Okay. Can we fit through this? Oh man, it's tight. Let's see. Still gonna try. I'm just gonna take it extremely slow. Yeah, we fit through here. Without tearing nobody machines up. Thank you. That's a cool guy right there. So this is salt right here. This is a mountain of salt. I wonder if I go lick it. How bad would it taste? Stop here. All right, let's pull over here. Stop here and call the number. Okay, cool. I think I got a live load, and I just read the sign and called the number before I entered. And it's like the dispatcher be trying to like make things better, right? Cause she know it's coming. She like, oh man, they did this truck, man. Oh, why? And then boom, right? So they give you good loads, and they be like, man, you know, it's just so much it's only so much you can put up with. So yeah, we can change that right there. Salt load, and they always tell me about these salt loads. Alright, yeah, there you go. I gotta go open the doors. I ain't gonna forget that part. There we go. Kind of curve that in. put it on the 40, it would be alright. Who is hot outside? We 43,000 pounds. Headed to Georgia, Valdosta, Georgia. That was quick, man. We right outside the port too. Who is hot? Oh, it be hot down here in the Florida swamp. This made my day. This really made my day, man. Seeing something different. And it's just exciting to me, man. And I think that's what's really, like got me tired of my company. A dropping hook on the delivery. Like I said, I might take me a 2-hour break on the way there, because our fuel stop is 106 miles, 109 miles either way. And what I might do is at the truck stop, I might take a 2-hour break, push some content out. Oh, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. 2 big ass boats. That is beautiful. I'm scared of a cruise because I can't drink that much water. But man, that is beautiful. And man, it's just, man, I don't know, man. All I can say is, man, I'm happy. I'm happy. It's not a lot. It's not a lot in this industry that make you happy besides gripping the steering wheel and chasing these miles. But man, that just made my week. I had a horrible week, and this right here made my week. This made my week. This made my week, man. I feel good. Come on, cause I gotta get all the way back over. How is that even possible? Oh man, here we go. What is that? I wonder if I can turn around here. Okay, there's another 18-wheeler. Let's see, let's take this right. This might not have been a good idea, but I hope it works out. Let's see, because we forced to take this right. Okay, we good, we cleared that. Let's see, yes, I can make this. I can't turn as wide as I want, but I can make this though. Let's see, without hitting that sign. Yeah. Woo! Oh, I was a little nervous there. I was a little nervous right there. I'm not gonna lie, guys. All right, let's kind of kick it back out this way so we can make that turn. Yeah, let's do this right here and hug this side without going in the ditch, of course. And then I can take this up here. Yeah, we good. But your boy be moving, boy. Trying to tell y'all. Let's see. Am I gonna hit that sign? Nope. We good. Oh, I'm glad that worked out. Oh, I'm glad that worked out. All right. I should have waited till that light turned green, but we're gonna just take it wide. Try to kick this trailer over. Hell, go in some of the grass a little bit. Kick it over. That way people can come in and drive in and stuff. Oh, that's good. All right, let's get back to the interstate. Oh, how much I missed the interstate. See, this is where I belong, right here. With the coconut trees. What that's? Oh, I forgot where that's from. Up under the coconut tree. I don't know what. It's a Disney movie. Spring. Don't you? You gotta love spring. All right, open highway. Okay. I know y'all probably gonna be over here like, this bridge ain't nothing. You ain't been up north yet, or you ain't been to yet. Nah, buddy, this is all I want to see right here. I don't want to see nothing else. It's scary enough. I seen one TikTok where dude was like, man, it's this bridge and there's no wiggle room. And then, truth be told, it really wasn't no wiggle room. Oh man, this bridge wasn't. That bridge was better than this bridge. This is a little baby bridge compared to that bridge. Hey, it's all beautiful though. At the end of the day, hey, I got to witness it. And that's one thing I can say about trekking. I wouldn't have seen this without trekking, so. We back road country riding until we get to the city. And that's how I like it. A Wawa a pretty big thing down here. I know where I used to live. We had one Wawa where we used to live. You fishing in that little pond, bro? I don't think there's nothing in that water, my guy. Hey, everybody got a fish pole down here in Florida, though, man. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Everybody do. Oh, come on now. Glad I caught that. Let me get over, cause we riding 408 down. We still going. We're gonna stay west. Man. Oh yeah, this like a mini Houston. I'm telling you, there's a pond everywhere. This is beautiful though. Like I've truly enjoyed this trip and this load, man. Okay, good. Yeah, so I end up going to the Rome Pilot. Rome Pilot is the one right down there, right up under the bridge. He gave me a head nod though. What is this? So that's the Chrome shop. They do parking, but what is that? What they got to eat over there? What is that? I'm gonna get this gas. I don't know what that is over there. It look like they got a restaurant in there though. I'm gonna walk over there. I'm gonna walk across, see if I can see a view and see what they got. I don't want no Hardee's. I want Subway. Subway. All right, now we at the right fuel shop. This ain't enough soap anyway. Oh wow, the lightning struck. I'm gonna find the next best truck stop where I can get something to eat. I don't want no damn pizza, man. And see, if I would've got the truck washed yesterday, it would've rained today. But besides the point, I think I'm run to the nearest truck stop that got a better food choice, man. I want something healthy. I'm tired of pizza. I don't want no fried chicken. Okay, there go my E-log. I'm gonna let my GoPro charge, our camera, whatever. I'm gonna let it charge once we get on the freeway and get to running. Man, I just had to turn the camera back on. I just missed a lightning strike on the interstate. Crazy. It literally hit the interstate right in front of me, and I turned my camera off just now. Took me a 2-hour break. Really 3. I just laid there and rested. Oh, I really didn't feel like getting back up, but I gotta get this off tonight. And that way, I mean, I'll probably end up running night shift tomorrow night, but okay, that wasn't bad. Yeah, I California rolled it. I sure did. Anybody that got a problem with it, report me to OSHA. Oh, look, I'm the only driver here. What a coincidence. I mean, it's literally right here. It's straight back. A little angle to it. Oh no, too much. It's alright. It's gonna be alright right there. Thing said, I was like, hold on, don't blow me in the face now. Oh, there you go, 207, 17, 18, 2. Oh yeah, duh, right here. I made this way hard. I was supposed to drop, come in, pick it up, and be gone. I made it way harder than what it's supposed to be. That's perfect. Let's see. I'm gonna be too high. Gotta drop the bags on this one. And that right here, that's how you drop and hook. Now the drop and hook was fast. I just, the process on finding the trailer in the spot. Got a couple truck stops we can stop at. Make sure these lights on. Put in my calls. We're good. But we got, I'm gonna go check that. I think that was a Speedway. I'm gonna check the Speedway, the Pilot. Go out the same way we came in. Might get lucky. Let's see. Oh, there go one right here too. We're gonna get that. Yeah, I'm gonna just be safe and overchase it and just play it safe. That's how I back up though. I overchase to play it safe. Cause I know me trying to do a one in the hole, just not it, bro. I overchase, play it safe. I don't know how close I am, but that's good enough. Well, that's all she wrote, folks. I'm calling it a night.